Yeah, hey, so 76 Cutlass here. Had to pull the tranny out to fix a front seal leak and ended up having to pull the drum assemblies out when I dislodged some things. So put it all back together. Long story short, now it's in the car and I hooked the drive shaft up, and when I start turning the wheels, you'll notice it makes a noise. And I guess the question is that kind of normal? And since there's no fluid, maybe when the fluid gets going, it's weird how I guess the rear clutches in the back are not moving, but when the drive shaft turns, which is turning now, it makes that noise. So anybody have any thoughts on that? What do you guys think? If I go in the reverse direction, well, the drive shaft doesn't really hardly move for some reason, but I don't get the noise. Only in the forward. Thanks for any insights.